Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel's new form and survey builders. This updated feature makes it incredibly easy to collect feedback, gather client information, or run customer satisfaction surveys directly through your GoHighLevel workspace. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the GoHighLevel login page. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your account tools are accessible. If you manage multiple sub-accounts, you'll need to switch to the correct one before building your survey. Look for the account selector, which you'll find either at the top of your screen or in the left navigation panel. Click it and select a sub-account where you want to create the survey. This ensures your survey gets built in the right workspace and stays organized with the correct client or project. Now, in the left navigation menu, click on Sites. This is where GoHighLevel houses all your website and survey tools. From there, look at the top side menu and click Surveys to access the Survey Builder area. This is your central hub for creating and managing all surveys. Once you're in the Survey Builder, click Add Survey on the top right side of your screen. This opens up a blank survey canvas where you can start building from scratch. The first thing you'll need to do is name your survey. Type a clear, descriptive survey name in the field labeled Survey Name. Choose something specific so you can easily identify it later when reviewing responses or editing. Next, it's time to add your questions. Click Add Question and you'll see a menu of question types to choose from, such as multiple choice, short answer, or rating. Select the type that fits the information you're trying to collect, then enter your question text in the provided field. Repeat this step for each question you want to include. The interface makes it simple to build out surveys quickly, so don't hesitate to add as many questions as you need. After you've added all your questions, click on the settings at the top of the page. In the On Submit section, click the drop-down arrow to reveal your options. You'll be presented with three choices: Open URL, which redirects the page after submission, a simple message option that displays a thank you note, or a customized order confirmation upon submission. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and user experience goals. Finally, click Save or Publish to finalize your survey. Once published, your survey is live and ready to be shared with clients or embedded on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.